I'm wondering in the last two impeachment trials, were questions like these also asked during the impeachment trials?
Meron din actually, pero normally kasi sa procedure dapat for example when a judge would ask certain questions, dapat it should not be argued by another judge kasi ultimately dapat muna itago niyo muna yung mga ano niya yung mga evaluations niyo sa ano, do not reveal it to the taong bayan muna yung mga legal analysis niyo. So do not reveal too much. Ultimately dapat yung mga questions dapat coming from the judges should be parang mga probing and clarificatory questions lang regarding the facts that are being presented in evidence through the testimonies of the witnesses. Kasi when you go into parang application na nung rule as to sufficiency of the let's say what has been established in order to prove the violation as required by the Constitution. So parang it's now revealing your yung parang direction ng judgment mo on this particular matter. So I think judges should also be medyo careful din sila in framing their questions na dapat hindi lumabas na bias sila because while ultimately yung impeachment is a question of number ultimately, pero we would like to believe na yung judges natin, we would like to give them the benefit of the doubt na they will decide based on evidence pa rin.